Hi, I'm Carolyn, a trichologist here at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. We're welcoming you to our new clinic. We've relocated in Brisbane from Newfoundland to Spring Hill, so now we have a hands-on area for our clinical approach to hair loss treatments and scalp conditions. But today what we have for you is a recipe. So when we're looking at recipes and sharing, we're going after the nutrition that is behind, or it could be one of the causes associated with the hair loss, but it could be part of our hair loss treatment. We're sharing this particular recipe because it's healthy, it's very nutritious, but it's also delicious and quick and easy. And just a few tips on any recipes that you choose. You want to use organic vegetables where you can. This is a So Easy fish curry by Jamie Oliver, and Jamie would always say, as do I, you want to use wild caught fish. If it doesn't say wild caught, potentially it's farmed. That means it's going to contain hormones and antibiotics. They also suggest the smaller fish types because there's less likelihood of heavy metal contamination. In this recipe there's a curry paste or a lime pickle. It is really cool to make your own because then you know what's in it. If not, always read the ingredients on the label, and you want to avoid the preservatives and also the numbers in the ingredients list. This recipe also uses coconut milk, so we're still coconut crazy here at Absolique, but again, choose organic, and if you are using one in a tin, choose the ones that are BPA free as well. And I would use coconut oil when I'm blistering the tomatoes, and then I generally add some other vegetables to bulk it up and obviously to make it a little bit more of a satisfying dish. So this simple dish also ticks the boxes when we're doing food for ferritin. So a lot of the hair loss and hair thinning concerns, and also our autoimmune alopecias, tend to be because of low ferritin. So we do have a food for ferritin guide and food for ferritin recipe book. So this is one that would also overlap on that as well. And the other thing is you can then push it onto your pH book. So we're always looking at creating the right pH environment to create the proper absorption, so you can choose your other alkaline vegetables as well. So even though the fish may be acid, the coconut is alkaline, and then you've got other vegetables in your little book as well. This recipe is from Jamie Oliver's Quick and Easy 5 ingredients book, which is awesome, and it does look absolutely delicious, but I tend to add a little bit more greens, and then I would top it with some herbs that I've grown in my own garden as well. And just a word on the book, there's some recipes in there that you would look at and say it's the wrong food combining, or it's got something processed in it. You can actually amend any recipe to suit how you're eating, if it's gluten-free, if you're dairy-free, and also if you're sugar-free. So it's all about working with a recipe and changing it for your individual needs. So if you want a copy of Food for Ferritin or our Food for Ferritin recipe book, or any questions about how to change recipes, please drop us an email. It's info@absolique.com.au. Thank you.